Hi dear YouTubers, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to easily remove bloatware from Windows 11. So let's begin. Windows 11 comes with its own set of pre-installed apps. Here are the methods you can use to remove bloatware on your PC and debloat Windows 11. Bloatware is a scourge for technology owners. Manufacturers fill your shiny new laptop, phone, or tablet with pre-installed applications to put an extra dollar in their pocket. You are left with bundles of useless programs taking up the already limited storage space. Microsoft is not stranger to bloatware. Windows 11 might look the part, but behind the scenes there are a plethora of programs you simply don't need. Luckily, you can yourself of the bloatware. Let's look at how to ease the pressure and debloat Windows 11. Windows 11 comes with a reasonably large amount of bloatware. In most cases, it is easy to remove. There are a few tools at your disposal using the traditional uninstall, using PowerShell command, and third-party installers. Bloatware doesn't feature with the system apps features list you would normally use to install a program. Why would it? Microsoft and other manufacturers who deliver products with bloatware stand to profit from reusing them, so making bloatware easy to uninstall is not in their best interest. If you are considering removing the bloatware due to space concerns, it's better you first find out how much space you really need to run Windows 11. Some Windows 11 bloatware is easy to remove through regular installation and doesn't require complex bloatware removal tools. This appears to work for several apps included in the Windows 11 or 10 installation package, such as Money, News, Sports, and a few other plugin app your start menu. There are some more Windows programs you should consider uninstalling. Find the application you want to remove, right-click and select Uninstall. Remove bloatware from PC individually. Microsoft had made it simple to remove the more cosmetic items in Windows 11, but you will quickly realize that Microsoft doesn't consider all apps equal. Indeed, the apps that Microsoft considers part of the core Windows 11 experience require either PowerShell commands to hide or remove, or a third-party installer, more or both of these below. Others such as Cortana simply cannot be 100% removed from your system. PowerShell is how to use PowerShell to remove bloatware. PowerShell is an important part of Windows system management. While some compare PowerShell to the command prompt, at their core they are different beasts. PowerShell is a command and scripting language that gives you greater control over your Windows installation. In this instance, you can use a series of PowerShell commands to either hide or remove Windows 11 bloatware. First, open the PowerShell command line. Type in PowerShell into your start menu search bar. The best match should be Windows PowerShell. Right-click and select Run as administrator. This ensures you have control over the entire system. Next, you need to decide what to remove. The PowerShell commands can remove any package ranging from the Zen music player to Bing Health and Fitness to the Microsoft Windows calculator. Hide apps using the remove app package command. Entering the following command into the PowerShell will hide each application you enter. Hiding a pre-installed app has the advantage of obscuring it from your view without actually deleting it from the system. If at later a date you realize that you do record the app, you can bring it back. Deleting Windows 10 bloatware with DISM. Want to truly obliterate every piece of bloatware from your system using PowerShell? There are different command line tool that for that is DISM. DISM stands for Deployment Image Service and Management. The DISM command is relatively powerful and can be used to service a Windows system in many ways. In this case, we'll use to remove the additional apps from your system. Deleting the apps work a little different to hiding. First, check to see the entire spectrum of the system bloatware using the following command: DISM /online /get provided apps package select string package name. You should now see a complete list of installed apps. We can now use these package names to begin removing what we want. To remove them, use the following command: DISM online remove provided apps package name package name, where package name is taken from the list we previously generated. As you can see in the below image, we have chosen to remove the Microsoft Zone video package Once the operation completes successfully, you will need to restart your machine for the code to take full effect. Deleting using Windows 10 bloatware. PowerShell script. Of course, if wouldn't be a MOU article if you didn't learn how to automate the process. The Windows 10 debloater is a PowerShell script developed by Synex. It removes almost every additional Windows 10 package from the operating system, stripping its bar. Within that, however, it also removes apps you might find useful, such as Tuner Air, In Radio, Power BI, or the Windows Netflix app. You can find the Windows 10 debloater on GitHub. On the GitHub page, click on the green code button, select Download zip from the drop-down menu. When the archive downloads, right-click and use your favorite tool to extract the folders. There are the two versions of the main script. Windows 10 debloater, this version is silent and gets on with business. Windows 10 debloater GUI, this version has a basic GUI with a few removal options as well as the reverse change options. Choose either one of these scripts and run it with PowerShell. Simply right-click on an icon and select Run PowerShell. Running the Windows 10 deployer script. The PowerShell script automates the process you went through in the previous actions. The previous section. As a bonus, it also removes the associated Windows registry entries for the bloatware apps and removal. Regarding the removal of apps you want to keep, you have two options. One is to head back to the prior section and manually remove the bloatware. The other is to re-enable and install any apps after running the script. Either way is slightly time consuming, so it really is a personal preference. So why delete Windows 10 bloatware's app? While the Windows 10 bloatware doesn't take up much physical space, it is more about exercising control over your system, especially before using a new computer. Many consider the default apps included in the installation to be garbage, and while some may be dead weight, there are some handy tools that are worth keeping. Whichever way you feel, you now have the tool to remove each piece of bloatware yourself. Happy obliterating. So that's the end of the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. I hope you are doing well, guys. See you soon at the following tutorials. Bye.